What's up, guys? Today we're doing a cold startup on the new 850 etec. We're gonna see if it starts. So today's capital of Canada was -24 with the wind chill is -34. Overnight was -28. So we'll see if it's gonna start, and then we're gonna do a comparison with the 600 as well if it's gonna start. So I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully it starts. Stuttering a bit, but no problem there. Alright, so now we're going to try to start up the 600. Started upper. What appointment is this? -25 on the... So guys, forgot to mention that the 600, the RPMs when it turns on goes to 2000 RPMs, and the 850 goes to 1500 RPMs. 850 starts better than the 600 etec. I think they did something new to the engine this year for it to start. So anyways, Happy New Year, guys. This is the last video of the year in 2017. We'll be doing more in 2018, so stay tuned. Go give us a like on our channel. And go subscribe to our channel as well, and see you later.